In this tutorial we'll solve this simple circuit, okay, which including AC voltage source and um, L and C value in the reactance form, okay, and we'll find the current value in amplitude and angle form, okay. So let's go Simulink, and for L and C we need a series RLC branch, okay. So this is series RLC branch, and first we first have to make the circuit, okay. So this will be L. So I'm basically making the circuit. The value will be put later. So this is L, and this will be R, okay, and this one is C, okay. Similarly this one is C, okay, and this one will be R, and this one will be R, and this one will be L, okay. So that's all. Now let's make the circuit like this. So that's all, our circuit is done. Now we need AC voltage source, okay. So this is AC voltage source, and for current measurement we need a current measurement block here. So this is current measurement block. I'll connect it here. Sorry. So okay, so everything done, and finally we need power GUI block, okay. And here in our math we have given that the voltage is 45 in peak and angle is 30, okay. So it will be 45, and phase angle is 30, okay. And I'm taking frequency 60 hertz, is okay. Now we have to change the power GUI block to phasor and frequency 60 hertz, is okay. Now click OK, and the L value is 4, okay. So the inductance will be 4 by 2 by our F is 60, okay. So this is the L value, and I'm copying this value. This will be needed here. So similarly the L value is here 5, okay. So this will be 5 divided by this one, it's okay. And similarly the C value is 3, okay. So C value will be 1 divided by 3, and C will be multiplied here as C equals 1 by X equals 1 by 2 pi FC, okay. So this will be 3, okay. Click OK, and similarly the value will be 2, okay. So 1 divided by this one and 2, so okay. And R value, this one is 5, and this one is 8, and this one is 10, okay. So that's all. Now we have our circuit is done. Now I'm taking a display block here. Now we need a current measurement block is in a magnitude angle, okay. So we have to change in magnitude angle. Now click OK. It's okay. Stop time 1 second is enough. Run this model. Now you can see the our current is in magnitude is 9.546. Now you can see 9.546, and angle is 33.8. Now the angle is 33.8. So this is the way you can find your voltage or current in angle magnitude form, and you can utilize concept of the reactances in R, L or C, okay. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.